Your feet tingle at night. Your hands go numb for no clear reason. Burning, stabbing, electric sensations that appear without warning. This is not random, and in many cases, it is not just aging. At first, it feels harmless. Normal food, normal drinks, normal routines. But inside the body, a repeated process is quietly creating long-term nerve stress. Nerves are living tissue, not wires, and they depend on steady oxygen, nutrients, and internal balance. When that balance is disrupted over time by repeated blood sugar spikes, it creates inflammation, and over time nerves receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. That is when signals begin to break down. Tingling starts, then numbness, pain, and then balance issues. Many people are told their blood sugar is a little high, or they are pre-diabetic and assume nothing serious is happening yet. But nerve damage often begins during this stage, long before diabetes is diagnosed. So why does this happen? 1. Liquid sugar from juice, smoothies, and sweetened drinks enters the bloodstream extremely fast. 2. Refined carbohydrates like bread, rice, cereal, and crackers cause rapid spikes when eaten alone. 3. Constant snacking keeps insulin elevated throughout the day, leaving nerves with no recovery time. Day after day, this creates constant pressure on the nervous system. Over time, the protective coating around nerves weakens, signals become inconsistent, and symptoms start to spread. This is not sudden damage, it is gradual accumulation. Now, the goal is not perfection, it is stability. One simple rule makes a major difference. Carbohydrates should never be eaten alone. When combined with protein or healthy fat, digestion slows and blood sugar rises more gradually. Same food. Very different effect on the body. Another important step is removing liquid sugar completely. No juice, no sweetened drinks, no smoothies. If fruit is eaten, it should be whole in small portions, and ideally after meals instead of on an empty stomach. Nerve damage does not reverse quickly, and in many cases not fully at all. But stopping progression is powerful. Less burning, better balance, and more stability in daily life can make a real difference.